Hi, today we are going to talk about a common mistake that facing almost everyone, even me also. So that is the problem is I'm not being able to make sentences like attractive, not clarity, not to designs, everything. Yes, it always happen for every English learner because English language not your mother tongue language, it is the second language. You little bit difficult to learn that and very big tax also. That's why today I'll address you and solve you how to overcome this, how to make sentences easily, and how can I bring sentences and able to speak. Yes, that's happen for all English learner. That not for anyone. It's happen for all and everyone. Yes, that is the process you are learning English. That is the foundation. You doing mistake. It's happen. You do mistake. Those time you do not do mistake. Then how can you overcome? That is the best foundation also. However, one solution is practice. Practice, 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 keep practicing. The one biggest solution is practice. Those time you not practice, you cannot speak. And how can I make sentences? I'm not translated in my hand. I'm not translated. I'm always saying those however I comes on my words. I'm not translated it. And I think and speak casually. Those time you speak in your native way, then words automatically comes on your mind. That's why then you practice every day. That's why it easily comes words on your mind automatically. Everyone facing this problem, even if all English learner also, because don't be afraid to make mistake. Your goal is deliver a message, not perfect vocabulary and grammar. When you are a beginners, when you are starting to speak English and learn English, now how can you overcome? It is little bit very difficult to learn because your English is a second language, not for mother language. You effort yourself and take some times and make sometimes not excuse how bad you are in whole day. That take make sometimes and practice yourself by alone also, not your friends conversation with your friends also. That are the little bit gradually increasing, level wise increase, level 1, level 2, level 3 like this. That's not happening overnight. You saying today I am trying to learn English, that tomorrow I speak fluently. That actually not happen. That not happening overnight. It gradually increases level wise, level 1, level 2 like this, gradually increase it day by day, day by day, day by day. And another step is motivated. You do anything once you motivated. Don't be afraid, don't be panic when you were learning English. That's happening for all, not for one. It's a process, it's a process of learning. You gradually increase it, you remember it, you gradually increase it day by day, day by day. Whatever anything, you do anything like this, you sing a song, you study, you solve a maths, you can go colleges anywhere, whatever anything, you increase it gradually, level wise, day by day. When you were starting to sing a song, first day you was very bad, very not clear voice, not able to being like crazy songs. That not happen, you day by day you singing a song, that gradually increase a lot. That's exactly happening for learning English. That not for one day, overnight. You gradually increase it. You focus yourself, don't be afraid. Make practice and practice, and try to listen more and more. I am always saying first listen more and more. Those are providing English like on YouTube, anywhere in social media platform. Listen more and more and absorb it. After that, trying to speak it. When you were beginners, trying to speak and record in your mobile phone, and you take this and listen this. It's this is the very mistake pronunciation. It's happen. It's mistake. You do this. That's the process of learning. After that, you open some books and read them and record them. And after that, you see that is the very good pronouncing. That not any of mistake, because you watch and read this and record him. You correct rectify yourself. Trying to rectify. What are your mistake? How to do any mistake? Yes, that not for everyone, even me also. I'm not saying fluently. It also I'm sometimes I'm happening for ooh, that is the actual happening me. That for more, it almost for everyone for learning English. That is a very difficult. You know on English. That is very crazy in the market, very demanding. Then I hope that the English language change your life also. Then I can know. Yes, it's changing almost many people's life and goals, achieve your goals also through by English. You can do anything. You build your confidence also to make more anything. Keep trying to practice and listen more and more and keep learning, keep exploring. I hope this video is helpful for you. Then really helpful for you. Please like my video, subscribe my channel and connect with me. I guarantee we're all trying to see bright future. We're all trying and learn English and speak English fluently and confidently. Thank you.